This is Obsidian 3919. If you're still on the break team, I kick your ass, but other than that. 5 times. Here we go. We're going to randomize this. Whoever's on top at the end gets a person spot 1. Team on the bottom gets a person spot 45. Here we go. Let's do this. 1. 2. My back's aching, my brows too tight, my hips are shaking from left to the right. My back's aching, my brows too. And 5. Top team is West Ham United. Bottom team is the Club America. We're the Club of America. Wow, he's changed. 5 times. Let's do this. I reckon if you stay back till midnight, that'd make Dale happy. I reckon if you sorted a whole bunch of breaks, that'd make Dale happy. Yeah, you should do that. Yeah. I'll get him on the phone now. Hey, Dale, would Tabby sorting a whole bunch of breaks make you happy? Yes. See? Did you hear that?
I did, I heard it.
Alrighty, here we go. Bought some truffle pate and truffle oil. Ooh, you sharing? Up first to just 99, it's Ruben Semedo for Olympiacos FC. Oh, I love truffle. A Marc-Andre ter Stegen for FC Barcelona. He's the goalie, numbered 154 and 195. Who was the rookie that? Who was the goalkeeper that did all the good job? Was it Donnarumma? Yes. Thomas Susek for the Czech Republic purple. Numbered 56 to 75. What's that, Peter Lee? Up next, Obsidian Galaxy Gear jersey for Portugal, João Moutinho. Oh, yuck. 275. Marco Verratti for Italy. That is numbered 65 to 75. Donnarumma. Say it like that, Blakey, says Maga. Jonathan Maga. To 50. Galatasaray AS Felipe Melo. Numbered 18 to 50. Very nice little jersey auto there. And then to just 10, Carlo Ancelotti for Italy, Lightning Strike Orange. Very nice. Nice little result there. What do you want, Jonathan Maga? 3919.